My name is Nikki and welcome back to the exciting 52-week challenge. I have been building my vocabulary since 1st January 2019. If you're new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Today we are going to learn about verbs and I am ready to roll.
Hey guys, welcome back, and today we learn about verbs. And Nikki will be going to school next week, so the frequency of posting videos will change to maybe once or twice a week depending on when we get the time. But of course we'll keep you posted, and please subscribe, tell your friend to tell your friend to tell your friend. Now today I'll be behind the camera and Nikki will be doing all the work. She'll be showing you the pictures and then we'll be talking with her. Alright? Good. So let's talk about verbs. And Nikki, I would like you to show me the first verb we have there. So we have go. In English it's go. In Luo it's the. So if you have the, that means go. Adi means I am going. Idi means you are going. Odi means he is going or she is going. So Nikki, you will say the, adi, odi, idi.
Go, the, adi, idi, odi.
Again. Again.
Go, the, adi, idi, odi.
Good. Let's move on to the next one. So that says C is neno. Neno. Right? Say neno.
Neno,
Neno.
neno.
Open. Yawo.
Yao,
Yawo.
yawo,
The W must sound. Yawo.
yawo.
Close. Loro.
Loro,
Loro.
loro,
Loro.
loro.
Wash. Luoko.
Luoco,
Luoko.
luoco.
Correct. Let's move on. Sleep. Nindo.
Nindo,
Nindo.
nindo,
Not yet. Nindo.
nindo,
Nindo.
nindo.
Wake. Chieu.
Chieu,
Chieu.
chieu,
Chieu.
chieu.
Correct. Move on to the next one. Fast. Pio.
Pio,
Pio.
pio.
Slow. Mos.
Mos,
Mos.
mos,
Mos.
mos.
Mec. Loso.
Loso,
Loso.
loso.
No, you're saying loso. Say loso.
Loso,
Loso.
loso,
Loso.
loso.
Correct. Next. Drink. Modo.
Modo,
Modo.
modo.
Do.
Do,
Do.
do,
Modo.
modo.
And remember guys, if you look at this, the DHO, we talked about that and we say this falls under the do. Da, de, di, do, do. Remember that? If you don't remember, then just go to the video, talks about phonetics, and we talked about that. Stretch. Riello.
Riello,
Riello.
riello,
The I and the E have to be pronounced, all right? Riello.
riello,
So you say riello.
riello.
Right? Ndiko.
Ndeko,
Ndiko.
ndeko.
Read. Somo.
Somo,
Somo.
Somo.
Louder.
Somo.
Somo. So
Somo.
say somo.
Somo.
Yes, somo, correct. Next. Stand. Chung.
Chung.
The N, G and the apostrophe. Ng.
Ng.
Chung.
Chung.
So chung.
Chung.
Alright. Say it again.
Chung.
Correct. Sit. Bit.
Bet.
Now you don't say bet because bet is something else. So sit is bit.
Bet.
Bit.
Bet.
Bit.
Bet.
Bit.
Bet.
Walk. Worth.
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 TH. Worth.
Worth.
Run. Ringo.
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 And then the last one down there. Pick the other one. The last one down there.
Oh yes.
The last one is come. Biro.
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 So if it's me, I say abiro. If it's you and I'm saying it, I say ibiro. And if someone else, we say obiro. Now for all these verbs, you just put in an A, an I, and an O. So it's abiro, ibiro, obiro. Can you say abiro?
Abiro. Ibiro. Obiro.
That doesn't sound Luo. Say abiro,
Abiro.
ibiro,
Ibiro.
obiro.
Obiro.
Correct. Now let's quickly summarize. Just put them on the screen. Summarize.
Biro. Abiro.
Yes.
Ibiro. Obiro.
Correct. The next one.
Stand. Chung.
Bait. Just they mention the Luo words only.
Bet. Worth. Ringo.
Next.
Modo. Rieyo.
Deiko.
Ndiko. Somo.
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 Somo. Pio.
Pio.
Pio. Mos. Loso.
Mos.
Mos.
Pio.
Pio.
Mos.
Mos.
Loso.
Loso.
Next.
Nindo. Chieo. Chieo.
Chieu.
Chieo.
Chieu.
Chieo.
Chieu.
Chieo.
I assume there's a W and a U. Chieu.
Chieu.
Yes.
Neno.
Neno.
Neno. Yao. Rolo. No.
Loro.
Loro. Luoco.
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 Then.
Di. Adi. Idi. Odi.
Good. So we shall do a video that sums everything up. But for now,
if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and remember to turn on your notification bell. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti! Bye!